Welcome to SEM Week Planner, the cloud application from SEMU for managing your weekly tasks. With SEM Week Planner, you'll have the opportunity to create a task list for each day. In this one central view, you can move tasks between days or create new tasks to be added. To create a new task, click on the day which you'd like to add it to and give it a title. To modify the task, click on the Edit icon. Here, you can change the name, the date, the time spent, or you can define who it's been assigned to. Under the Comments tab, you can leave any comments for this task. Under the Checklist tab, you can create a list of subtasks assigned to the task. And under the Attachments tab, you're able to attach files or other attachments relevant to the task. To move tasks from one day to another, simply click on the task you wish to move and drag and drop it to whatever day you wish. To show a task has been completed, simply click on the check to mark it as such. Under the Workspace tab, you're able to create several workspaces for projects, teams, or departments. We can create a new workspace here and modify which users will have access to it. Here, you can grant administration and write access as well. Or you can add a user and grant just read and write access if you'd prefer. The new workspace will be available here in Development, and you can switch easily between workplaces, and then modify task lists for any day you'd like.